Smart Dog and Mr. Gooberman. Big Broke Smith. Once upon a time, there was a really great man. His name was Mr. Gooberman. He had a dog. His dog was very smart. One day they went for a walk. They played on the water playground for 1 hour. They had a lot of fun. Then it rained, so they had to leave. So they went with 2 friends to McDonald's. The friend mysteriously disappeared. Smart Dog and Mr. Gooberman were at the lost. They went to Toys Reuse in search of the missed friend. First they looked in an actual figure. They went 3. It was difficult to leave the area because they had just retrieved Schmidt of Power Ranger's Lost Galaxy. They broke themselves away and headed for the games section. They started playing Julie. They Lavender, Roswand, Smart Dog ran towards the little Tickas castle, house and cars. Mr. Gooberman jumped in the pickup truck and started racing on Toys R Us. Smart Dog ran close by him, breaking all the way, finally passing the aisle of dolls and entering the sports section. The friend repaired. They were playing basketball. Mr. Gooberman and Smart Dog said, "Guys, it's time to leave. Next time, tell us before you disappear." They left the store and went home. Then they went to sleep. The next day, the both of them had breakfast on Burger King. 3 of their friends joined them. Stay tuned for the next adventure of Mr. Gooberman and Smart Dog.
Annyi, ugod! De nekifutásból haver. Utána kicsit visszaütök. Most megint arra kifelsz. Úgy, hogy nekifut és úgy. Ugod!
Itt van!
Hova a fasz?